All right, so question number A, prove that the tan 3x. Okay, so I want to prove actually, so everyone knows okay, what type of this question in trigonometry. This type of question where you will see identity symbol bete. This is our type 3 of trigonometry. But you know that ke in exam we will never do our A part, which is related with identity proving. We will always do B part. Then you are allowed to do A part as well. But now I'm going, obviously now I'm doing actually so past paper, so that's why I will do A part. But in your mocks or in your exams, so always do B part before A part. But I would like to recommend, please remember this idea, because sometimes we can stuck in A part, so that's why first you have to do B part, then you can back towards A part and do A part as well. All right. So how to prove beta? Everyone knows I will take left hand side, which is tan 3x, and we know that we don't know any formula of tan 3x in P3, so that's why everyone knows that I will always convert our 3x into x plus 2x. Obviously 3x can be written as x plus 2x, so I have to apply compound angle formula. I hope everyone knows what is compound angle formula. When the two angles are being added or subtracted, you are allowed to apply compound angle formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So let's apply this formula. After that, beta, tan A plus tan B. You can see beta that is your A, that is your B. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. No problem. Please remember, whenever you will see 3x angle in P3, always you have to write 3x angle like this, x plus 2x, then apply compound angle formula. Whenever you will say 3x and you want to get x angle, so first you have to convert 3x angle into 2x angle, then you can move forward to x angle. Perfect. First you have to convert 3x into x plus 2x. So what do you need to do? First you need to apply compound angle formula, then you need to apply double angle formula. Tan x plus, what is the formula of tan 2x? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Similarly, apply formula of double angle for tan x. 2 tan x 1 minus tan square x. Perfect. Now let's apply the LCM in numerator. Apply LCM in numerator. Similarly, apply LCM in denominator. So 1 minus tan square x will multiply with tan x plus 2 tan x. That is the LCM of numerator term. Similarly, what can I do in denominator? Again, apply LCM in denominator. Simple multiply with 1. So 1 minus tan square x and minus 2 tan square x. So now these two can be cancelled out with each other. So the remaining term will be tan x shift 10x inside the bracket. So 10x minus 10 cube x plus 2 10x divided by 1 minus 10 square x and minus 2 10 square x minus 3 10 square x. 10x and plus 2 10x can be added, so it will become 3 10x minus 10 cube of x divided by 1 minus 3 10 square x. So I already told you, beta, mathematics is all about learning. It's not all about understanding. So please remember, I think that is what we want to prove. Yeah, exactly. So don't forget the idea actually. Okay, whenever you have 3x angle, first you have to convert into 3x angle into x plus 2x angle. Then you have to convert x plus 2x angle further into x angle. First you need to apply compound angle over here. Then beta you need to apply double angle. If you want to convert double angle into single angle, then you need to apply which formulas? Double angle formulas. You will get the answer automatically. Hence, okay, so whenever the question is hence, always compare with the previous part. So let's compare with the previous part. Are they exactly equal to with each other or not? Yes, they are exactly with each other. 310, okay, 310, 10, 10, perfect. So now let's start. So the answer of left hand side is actually tan 3x. So there is a tan 3 theta equal to 2 secant square theta 3 theta minus 8. Everyone knows I want to convert into single trigonometric functions. So how can we convert into single trigonometric functions? That is only possible. There is a relationship between tan and secant square. Anyone knows whenever you will see secant square, what is the formula? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, similarly, angles can be changed, but angle should be equal for both of them. They are always equal to 1. So, can you get secant square 3 theta easily? Just shift minus tan square 3 theta into another side. So, 1 plus tan square 3 theta. Just substitute 1 plus tan square 3 theta in place of secant square 3 theta. Be careful about angle. Angle cannot be changed. If there is 3 theta, so you have to put 3 theta. If there is theta, you have to put theta actually. Now, let's simplify bacha log. 2 plus 2 minus 8. Now what can I do? 2 tan square 3 theta plus 2 minus 8 will become minus 6 equal to 0. Now what we can do, that is a quadratic in terms of tan 3 theta. So I have to substitute tan 3 theta with a. So it will become 3a square minus a minus 6 equal to 0. It can be factorized or not. I want to get 18. I think not possible. Sorry, it's not 3a, it's my mistake. It is 2a square. I want to get 12. I think that is possible. So 2a square minus 4a plus 3. If you can't, if you don't want to factor, so obviously you can apply quadratic formula. Simple. So take 2a common from first two terms. So a minus 2, take 3 common, a minus 2. You have to show your working during exam. If you don't show this working, you will uh, not get full marks actually. All right, so there are two values of a. The first one is minus 3 by 2, and the second one is a equal to 2. That is not our final answer. I have to substitute a with tan 3 theta. All right, so now I want to solve equations. So please pick up the range. Actually, our range is from 0 to till pi by 2. Yes. Everyone knows I can take inverse. So now everyone knows that I can't take inverse because the range is not same. So multiply with 3 and make same range. 0, 3 theta to 3 pi by 2. Tan 3 theta equal to minus 3 by 2. So now let's find out the basic angle, acute angle, and ignore negative sign. Everyone knows your calculator must be in radian form, bacha, and find the value of tan inverse. 3 by 2 in radian form, be careful. 0.9827. So tan is positive or negative? Tan is exactly negative as you can see. So tan is negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So let's mark the basic angle and find the final answer of these red lines. The final answer will be, how much will you get? This angle would be beta pi minus 0 point. Obviously beta that would be 180 degrees, so you have to subtract this angle, you will get pi minus 0.9827. Similarly get the answer. Obviously this would be beta outside of the range, because this would be greater than 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is actually 270 degree. So this angle obviously would be greater than 270. So no need to consider this angle. The answer, or the final answer, will be only pi minus 0.9827. Bill, please remember, beta, that is not the answer of theta, that is the answer of 3 theta. Because our range is 3 in 3 theta form. Just minus and divide with 3 beta. So answer will become 0.71. How many significant figures? I want to write into two decimal places. So two decimal places would be 0.72 actually. Perfect. Similarly, beta, I will multiply with 3 and it will become 3 theta 3 pi by 2. First you have to make same range. Then take inverse. So when you will take inverse, put basic angle. Tan 3 theta is actually equal to 2. Tan is positive beta, so tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. So that is our first angle, and that is our first second angle, which is inside the range actually. So the answer is 1.1011. I want to write two decimal places. So write this answer into two decimal places, and similarly this angle would be 180 plus pi. Sorry, 180 plus 1.10. That is the answer of not theta. Be careful. That is the answer of 3 theta. So 1.42 actually. That is our final answer, which I want to write into two decimal places. You can check working again. Similarly, you can check this working for proving the identity. All right.